Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making a Shami Kabab Sandwich for breakfast and lunch. It's very simple and yummy. Key for table of spoon. Frying Shami Kabab. Stir 2 eggs in pepper and salt. Beat well. We will use 4 slices. We will finely chop half a cabbage and add black pepper and mayo. We will prepare the first slice, the cabbage and mayonnaise for the kebab stuffing. On the second slice, we will place a layer of cucumber and tomato. On the third slice, we will add egg and cheddar cheese. We will use tomato ketchup on fourth slice. We'll layer slices in a sequence. Cook it in butter or oil until golden brown from top to bottom. This is a healthy sandwich that you can have for breakfast or lunch. Don't forget to subscribe for similar, easy recipes in our channel by liking and comment. Thank you for watching.